Hello there, my name is Yvonne and today we're gonna see collocations with make and do. So remember, a collocation is a group of words that usually go together, and we're gonna be using make when we want to express create, okay, or produce. So let's see. Make a recommendation, make a choice, make an improvement, make an agreement, make an announcement, make an attempt, make a decision, make a discovery, make an offer, make a promise, make friends, make money, make profit or a profit, make the bed or make your bed or his bed, make an arrangement, make an effort, make a noise or make noise, make a phone call or make a call, make a plan, make an appointment, make a forecast, make a mistake, make progress, make a comment or a remark, make a point, make a proposal, make a suggestion, make an apology, make a complaint, make a change, make a photocopy. Also, make breakfast, lunch, dinner, make a salad or make a soup or make a sandwich. Let's see the examples. The teacher made several photocopies for the students. Made is in past simple. You need to make a special effort in order to pass the exam. To make in infinitive. Becky loves making new friends. Making in gerund, in the ing. Can I make a phone call, please? The scientists have made a groundbreaking discovery. The word groundbreaking is like brand new, it's something completely extraordinary and novel and new. Okay, so have made is in present perfect. Have made a discovery. Jessica is learning how to make her bed. Make her bed. This year, the company didn't make any profit. Okay, didn't make in negative. And in past simple. Past simple negative. Any profit. No profit whatsoever. Now, let's see. Collocations with do. Remember, a collocation is a set of words that usually go together. And do. We're going to be using do for activities, for obligations, and for accomplishments. So, let's see. You do an assignment. You do homework. You do work. You do exercise. You do a favor. Do the laundry. Do a paper. Do a research. Okay, here research and paper are the same. It's like PhD things. Okay, so do business. Do a course. Do housework. Do the shopping. Do the ironing, do the washing up, do a job, do activities, the word activity, you're going to do an activity. Do harm, do one's best. You're doing your best trying to learn English, okay? Very good. Do sports, household chores. You do the household chores. So the chores are, for example, the washing up, the ironing, the cleaning, the dusting, the laundry, the cooking. All of those are the chores. So you do your chores. Do your chores. Next, the cooking. Do damage. Do the dishes. Do a task. Do karate. Do a crossword puzzle. Do yoga, do judo, athletics, and aerobics. Very good. Like, remember, individual sports that usually you do in a closed area. We have another video with play, go, and do. Very good. So I want to highlight something here. You do the cooking, but you make breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you make like special dishes, like I don't know, a salad or a soup. Okay, you make a soup. You don't do a soup. You create the soup. But you do the cooking. So you do the cooking, but you make breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's see some examples with do. James is doing his homework. Is doing. Present continuous. Scott is trying to do his best in the exam. Do his best. Children do many after-school activities. Do activities. Sandy does judo 3 times a week. Does judo. The hurricane has done a great deal of damage. A great deal is a lot. A great deal of. Has done, present perfect. It was great doing business with you. This is very common in business, like it was great doing business with you. When you close a deal, you will say it was great doing business with you. Let's see. For homework, you have to do exercises 1 and 2. So this is like a brief summary on collocations with make and do. And remember, if you like this video, thumbs up or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very good. So see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.